Hi, I'm Olivia Beaumont. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to gold leaf. And let's get right into the materials. So we're going to take a drawing you made, and it should be fully dry before you start. You'll need leaf metal in the gold color. You're also going to need metal leaf sizing and leaf sealer. I'm using the Mona Lisa gold leaf kit, and it comes with 25 leaves and 2 fluid ounce bottles. Last, you'll need a soft bristle brush, such as a large makeup brush. Sizing is very simple to apply. Stir the liquid well before you start, but don't shake the bottle. You can apply the sizing with almost any clean brush. Please note though that it's basically glue, so I recommend using an older brush because it can be hard to remove all the glue from the bristles. The sizing will go on white and it will dry clear. It takes 10 to 15 minutes to dry. Apply it in a single thin layer and don't let it pool or puddle. You can use a smaller brush for more detailed areas. If you're having trouble seeing what areas you've already worked, try shining a light on the paper or sitting at a different angle. The shiny part will help identify which areas of your paper have been painted. Remember, when the sizing is dry, it will look clear. This is how the sizing looks before it is dry. I usually set a timer for 10 minutes and then check on the drying process. It should be clear and tacky when it is ready for the next step. Metal leaf comes with sheets of tissue paper in between. I find the tissue paper to be helpful for positioning the leaf on the glue. Once you place the leaf, push down on the tissue paper using 1 or 2 fingers and work in a circular motion to fully adhere the leaf to the artwork. It's also okay to press down directly on the leaf itself to make sure that it's not loose. A single sheet of leaf may not cover all the area you need, so you can use scraps of leaf to fill in any gaps. I like to save as many big scraps as possible for a future project before the next step. When I'm confident that all the leaf is adhered to the tacky areas of the artwork, I'm going to use the soft makeup brush. Gently start working in circular motions to remove any loose leaf. The areas that you did not apply any sizing to will start to emerge. If you missed any areas that have sizing applied, you will be able to detect these sticky areas, and you can simply pause the brushwork to press a piece of leaf to that area and then continue sweeping away the extra debris. Check for small pieces of debris that may still be clinging to the artwork, and once you've cleared them all away, you're ready for the next step. The last step is to seal the gold leaf. This will prevent it from rubbing off or flaking in the future. Just like the sizing, sealer goes on white and then dries clear in about 15 to 30 minutes. Use a new brush to apply a single thin layer of sealer in a well-ventilated area at room temperature. Thanks for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to gold leaf today with me. If you are following along with this project, I would love to see your artwork, and I'm going to put my Instagram handle down in the description box so that you can tag me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.